Hey everybody, it's Nat coming to you with another video. In this video, I'll be showing you how I created this look using Wet n Wild foundation that you can find at your local drugstore. So if you'd like to see what I did, please stay tuned. First, I am coloring in my eyebrows. I am using the ColourPop brow pencil in the color black and brown. I always like to start by, trying to get my eyebrows together as best as possible. If you all don't know, this is one of my pet peeves, but your girl gonna get these eyebrows together soon enough. And excuse me chewing like a horse, but I had just got home from work and I was hungry and I'm waiting on dinner and I found a Starburst in my purse, so that's what I'm eating, if you want to know. Next, I'm going to prime my face with the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Face Primer. It's the Dewy kind. I really like this primer. It does very well. And it's not like too dewy where you can like see it through the foundation. It's really good. Next, I'm going to be color correcting with the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the color orange. I have to color correct under my eyes. My eyes, I have like deep socket eyes, and then I have a lot of discoloration under my eyes. So if I want to achieve that flawless look, or as flawless as possible, I have to color correct. I use an orange color corrector or even a peach color corrector at times. Man, I must have been really hungry. I'm just really chomping on that. Okay, embarrassing. So I just apply the concealer in very, very thin layers. A lot of times people put it on too thick, but that's a huge mistake to put it on that thick. And then once I get it the way I want it to look, I also apply it to my eyelids because they're discolored as well. And I get it to the point where I believe that most of the discoloration is gone. Next, I am going to be using the Wet n Wild foundation, the Photo Focus foundation in the color Mocha. This was so funny. I've never put this foundation on camera before. So I kind of know how this foundation will do because I've used it before. So I am actually looking into a mirror applying it. And then after a while, I took a look at my viewfinder and I was just shocked.
Whoa! Wow.
Yeah, it looked like kind of pukey green. It was like a really weird color. You guys see it, but as I begin to blend it in, it melts into my skin nicely. So I just did a lot of blending to put it in, like I always do. But yeah, that was a shocker. Next, I'm going to be concealing my under eye with the True Complexion HD Corrector from Black Radiant. I kind of discovered this just by mistake. One day I was at Walmart and I picked it up and I'm like, oh, what's this? And I really like it. I got it and I really, really like it. It's in the color, what does this say? This says the color medium. It's in the color medium. I use this for highlight. And it really works really well. can see, I'm blending it out, and it blends really nicely. To set that concealer, I'm going to be using a Wet n Wild MegaGlo contouring palette, and it's in the color Caramel Toffee. This did okay. I've had better powders that I use to set my under eye and my highlight with. It did okay. Not the best in the world, but not bad. Not bad at all. And if you got this far in this video, why don't you go ahead and subscribe? Click that subscribe button. And right next to it, go ahead and click that thumbs up button. Help your girl out. I really need your help. And also, click that notification bell so you can be part of the notification squad. Yeah. I am going to be using a Wet n Wild Color Icon Comfort Zone palette for my eye look today. I got this color at, this palette at my local Walgreens. There are any names on here for the colors. There's 10 colors in this palette. But I'm taking one of their suggested transition colors and using it as a transition. I love this eyeshadow palette. It works really well. Taking one of the darker colors and using it as my lid color. I wanted something dark and smoky, and I believe that this color right here on my lid would give me the effect that I wanted in my eye look. It went on really, really nice. Wet n Wild have some really nice eyeshadow. So I'm applying that, and I'm gonna buff out those edges. For real. My friend Pimple Pete. It seems like every time I have to do a video, Pimple Pete or his friends want to pop up. But anyway, yeah, again, I used my brush that I put my transition on, just kind of buff it out. I am taking that same color and putting it on my bottom lash line to give me some depth. That worked out really well. And then I'm using another color to kind of bring the whole look together. In the end, I really like how the look came out. Just taking my time and blending, adding color and blending until I get the effect that I want. To bring everything together on my face, I'm going to be using the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Pressed Powder in Dark Cafe. I really, really, really like this powder, y'all. It's really good. It just brought everything together the way I wanted it to. And then I'm going back into my eyebrows because I lost some of my brows. And I am using the BH Studio Pro brow pencil in the color Ebony. a really, really good pencil. And then I have a problem like on my brows, like wanting to come off. So I found like something that works perfectly for me, this e.l.f. Makeup Lock and Seal. You kind of take your brush and put it over your brows and it dries and they don't go anywhere. I mean, nowhere. I am putting a little, even though you can't really see it, a little eyeliner on. It's the Milani Stay Put Waterproof Eyeliner. I love this eyeliner. It's freaking dark and it's gorgeous. Right now I'm using the Too Faced Better Than Sex Waterproof Mascara for my eyelashes. I didn't use any fake lashes for this look, but this mascara right here, it does great with my lashes. And I'm just using my Black Radiance powder in Black Coffee. It's really dark, very pretty. Just to contour, just a little bit, kind of bronze my face, give it some depth, and you know, try to bring some color back into my face. I just want to do a really simple and quick look. So I didn't really contour too hard, but I did a little bit. I'm using that same powder to contour my nose. I just went back into my Wet n Wild MegaGlo contouring palette and used the yellow powder out of that, and came out pretty well. I am using my Mario Badescu Skincare facial spray, the one with the aloe, herbs, and rose water, just to get all that powder and everything meshed together. And then when that dries, I'm using my Wet n Wild Photo Finish setting spray to set my face. Look me, y'all. Dinner time. Dinner was ready, y'all. Y'all don't understand. I hadn't ate all day and I need to get this video out. So it's right now I am applying the Wet n Wild liquid Catsuit in the color Video Vixen. And this is how the look came out. I am ready to go out. Stay tuned for more makeup looks with your girl, Natalie Queen. I want to thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. And like always, peace and blessings. Bye.